We're making a dish with corn and zucchini, 3 ears of corn that I've charred up. All I did was put naked corn on the cob in the skillet and char it. That's it. Then stand it on top for stability of the tiny bowl, and all of the corn and the milk from the cob goes into the bowl itself. You scoop out the seeds and we cut them into long, thin strips. And then chop the sticks, tip of the knife on the board, working down and across. Shallot or onion, root ends still attached. We slice them lengthwise. I never cut into the shallot or the onion sideways, as they would teach you in culinary school. I think it's superfluous because the onion and the shallot are layered by nature. We're going to turn up the heat on this pan, and we have some water boiling for the fregola. Any little teeny tiny pasta will do, but small pasta works best with this because you have small bits of zucchini and corn. Our water is to a rapid boil. You only need about 4 quarts here. It's not a big deal. Salt it very liberally. You're seasoning the pasta itself and get it going. Meanwhile, we're going to take the zucchini and add it to hot olive oil and throw right in shallots. We can use a couple of ounces. It's about 2.5 ounces of nduja, or you can use Calabrian chili paste, red pepper chili flakes, or if you want it super mild, Aleppo chili pepper. And to finish, cool, creamy, delicious ricotta cheese, fresh ricotta cheese. The herbs we're gonna finish with are basil and a little fresh mint. Twice as much basil, a little less mint. Draining the fregola sarda. And while it's still soaking wet, or you can use a little cup and save a bit of the pasta water. If you just fresh drain it, just dump it right in there. We're gonna mix it in with the zucchini, corn, and your choice of the nduja, that's the sausage paste, guys. Or you can use Aleppo, milder pepper heat, or vegetarian but very spicy Calabrian chili paste. I'm gonna grate in just a little bit of fresh garlic, and I'm gonna stir in about 1 cup of fresh ricotta cheese. We're really just melting cheese into the corn and the zucchini. Take just a little bunch, roll it into a tight log, and you thinly slice it into what's called chiffonade. And we add it to the fregola sarda or any short cut pasta. Tiny bit of mint, basil, zucchini, sweet corn. That's a lot of fregola. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of Calabrian pepper and then a tiny bit extra of her basil and mint.